Good morning. I just wanted to run you through what's happening for Play Move Improve at the moment. You may have one of my beautiful kindergarten teachers in your service across Melbourne. I want to thank Victoria, Claire, Georgia, and Shelley. They're amazing. I handpicked them specifically because I knew that they love the passion similar to me, they have the energy similar to me, and I'm really excited that some of you have already got to meet them already. I wanted to show you what they come to your service with. So they come with my MIP program, my movement intervention program. Depending on your level of school readiness funding, some of my beautiful team are running it in 8 weeks, so an 8-week program. Some of you are having a 3-week program. I want to quickly show you what happens. So in this pack, the programs are all in color code order. So it starts from week 1 to week 8. Sorry, mine is all jumbled. You can tell my ADHD brain. It's beautiful. Every time I work with some of my team, they reorder this for me. So in this pack, it goes in level order, starting at week 1. We work on crawling and our reflexes going all the way up to week 8, where we start to become more specific in our spatial awareness, crossing the midline actions. You'll see that when they come, they'll have their kit ready to go. I've given them all of the resources that they need to implement the program. And you may find that they'll also bring some printable type activities as well. So we have, we have emotion snap. We have, of course, activities for improving executive functioning. We have examples for improving our spatial relationships. We, of course, have our animal walks. So all of this I designed specifically for early childhood. I do also have a MIP program for primary school. This is the early childhood pack. And I'd love, if you have any questions, reach out. If you meet one of my beautiful team, please encourage them because they are absolutely phenomenal. They come with so much expertise. They're all kindergarten trained. They come with so much passion. So make sure you say hi. And thanks so much for being a part of Play Move Improve. I was really excited. Even this morning, my daughter and I were talking about that I used to be just me trying to do the best I can, and to have your support, it means that now we can have more children getting the support that they need, more in-person support that I could never have delivered on my own. So thank you to you, my beautiful Play Move Improve community, and thank you to my beautiful team. I feel so blessed. Thank you so much.